Right, this tutorial is to help you create a map showing where people are located in relation to your school. Should you need to use that information for decision making regarding fuel shortages. So you're going to need two things. The first thing that you're going to need is what's known as a Google My Map. So Google, do a search for Google My Maps or go to mymaps.google.com. And you will see that this is an area where you can create your own Google map and import data into it. Now, I've already created an example map and there are no people imported into it. Okay, so the second thing that you need is a spreadsheet. Now, the spreadsheet can be exported directly from your student management system. This template here has got an example of how the data may come out of your SMS. So you need name, the first part of the address, the suburb, the city, the region, postcode. Okay, and this will create what's known as the full address in column H. Now, once you have imported all of your data into the spreadsheet, the formula will fill down and it will give you this full address for each person. And you can see here I've got my address plus 4 example people. And then you're ready to import into your Google My Map. So go back to your Google Map, click on Add Layer. It will take a moment and then it'll be called Untitled Layer. Now let's imagine I'm importing just the staff. Okay, so I'll name that layer Staff, then go to Import. Now I've made this a Google Drive spreadsheet and it's called Google My Maps Import Template. Now, the first choice is which column gives you the position of your place marks. Now, you need the full address, which is the calculated value that we've created in the spreadsheet. So tick full address and click continue. And then the next column is the title of the marker. So I would suggest that's probably the name of the person, if it's staff, or the family, if it's students. Click finish. Now that shouldn't take too long and it will import. And then from then you will see you've got all of these people as place marks on your map.